Welcome to this episode of How To. This week I'm going to show you very quickly how to pot on, care for general bedding plants. First thing you need to do is make your selection of bedding plants. We have a huge range of bedding plants that you can buy in as smaller quantities as 15s or a full tray of 350. You want to be potting your bedding plants into the sort of equivalent of a 3-inch pot. I've got some 6-packs here. Loosely fill with a good quality peat-based compost. Get your dibber and just put some little holes in. You don't particularly need a dibber, you can just use your finger. It just makes some indentations into your compost. And then with your chosen plant, it's a nice little thing to get. It's just a split green cane, and you just tease your plugs out of the cells, and it just reduces any damage that you might get if you're pulling them out from the top. Make sure it's got a nice healthy root system, and basically just place it in the hole. And then repeat. Again, constantly checking, just making sure that you've got a nice healthy root system. Once it's done, just a little tap. Don't firm your compost down. There's no need to firm your compost down. You want the compost to be nice and light and loose. When you water it, it'll compact it down. And that'll be ready around about 6 weeks. So your timing on all bedding plants, with the exception of pelargoniums, geraniums, is you put your bedding plants on 23rd of April. Anything you potted on in 23rd of April and grew in a cold greenhouse would be ready for the first week in June, which you should be potting out. If you want them earlier, for whatever reason, if you've got a function and it's middle of May and you want your garden full of colour and it's 2 weeks earlier, you don't pot them on 2 weeks earlier, you have to pot them on 3 weeks earlier. So you've got shorter days, you've got cooler days, so your growth rate is a lot slower. So it's pansies I've chosen today. I'll just do one more for you. So in loose peat-based compost, make your little holes, and again with a split green cane, gently tease the plants out of the cells, and again just constantly checking just to make sure they've got a nice root system, nice healthy plant, not too leggy, not too big, into your cells. And then just a little check again, remember no firming down. And then in true Blue Beta fashion, here's one we did 6 weeks ago. And that, once it comes out of the pot, is ready to be planted into your garden. Nice root system, nice even distribution of roots. And then ready to go in your garden.